I'm doing my lateral flow test today because I just found out that a week after we saw this patient, she tested positive after that visit, and she just letting us know a week after. She's in the quarantine right now, and I don't know why the public health didn't call us. So let's see. So this is self-administered test. This is provided by our clinic for free. We can do it anytime. You get the instruction, a buffer tube, the nasal swab, another instruction how to do it, and the cassette. I think this is the bag where you can dispose it. You should label it. I'm used to picking my nose with Q-tips, so this is nothing to me. It says that you need to do it for 30 seconds. Swirl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Definitely has timer, so 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, then it says squeeze. Rotate and squeeze. 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, remove it. Okay. Get in the bag. Fire in the bag. And place the lead. 2, 3, 4. That's 4 drops, and then put it in, discard it. And then you have to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, we are waiting. 2 more minutes. That's 13 minutes after we started the test. So far we're good. Alright, the test is done. I'm negative. I am negative.